guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hello. If you are a returner, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the wrapped double crochet. This stitch is really cute and it's fun. It works up really quick. I learned how to do this stitch when I was making a shawl. I'll link that pattern below. Hopefully you guys enjoy this stitch. Let's get to it. For today's square, you'll need a weight 4 acrylic yarn, a 6mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle, and a tape measure. To begin our square, we're going to start with a chain of 22. Once you have completed your chain of 22, you will place a double crochet in the third chain from your hook. You'll place a double crochet in the next chain. Now, with the double crochet you just made, you're going to wrap a double crochet around it. So you're going to wrap your hook, take your hook and go behind the stitch, wrap, pull up, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2. Now you're going to skip one chain, and into the next you'll place a regular double crochet. Now we'll do another wrapped double crochet around that one. You're going to wrap your hook, take it and go behind your double crochet, pull up a loop, and then finish your double crochet. Again, you'll skip one chain, and in the next you'll place a regular double crochet. Now around that double crochet you'll place a wrapped double crochet. So you'll wrap your hook, go behind the double crochet, wrap your hook again, pull around, pull through 2, pull through 2. And you'll continue doing that until you have 2 chains left. In the last chain you'll place one normal double crochet. Now that we are at our last 2 chains, you will place just a regular double crochet in the last chain. Now you'll chain 2, turn your work, you'll place a double crochet in the first stitch. Now you'll place a double crochet in the next. With this double crochet though, you'll do your wrapped double crochet around it. And you'll continue placing your wrapped double crochets in every other stitch. So you will skip this next stitch, and into the next one you'll place your wrapped double crochet. So you'll do a regular double crochet, and then you'll do a wrapped double crochet around it. And you'll continue that all the way down, and when you have 2 stitches left, you'll place a double crochet in the last stitch. Now that you have 2 stitches left, you'll place a double crochet in the last one. You'll continue repeating these rows until you have 6 1/4 inches. I'll meet you guys back when mine measures 6 1/4. I have completed my square. I have a total of 9 rows. I'm going to take my tape measure and check and make sure it's 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. Now we're going to chain 1 and take our scissors. We're going to snip our end. Then we will pull our loop through, creating a knot. Then with our tapestry needle, we're going to weave in our ends. You'll want to make sure you don't enter in the same place that your knot is, but that you enter fairly close. Once you're confident with how much you weaved in, you'll take your scissors and you'll trim it. And you'll repeat this on the other side. I hope you guys enjoyed this stitch. If you would like to continue doing this challenge, please subscribe or follow me on any of my social medias. I will keep you guys up to date on there. And yeah, I hope you guys have fun. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.
Boy.